everyone, I'm back here with a video, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Seagate Expansion 2TB portable external hard drive. So effectively what I got this particular drive for is for expanding the storage space on my PlayStation 4 console, because my console itself only has 1 terabyte of internal space, which has currently been used up. So that is where this external drive comes in, and 2 terabyte is really nice to have, so you can store really a huge amount of games on it. And speaking of the price as well, I picked it up off of Amazon.com for I believe $60 with free shipping. So for a 2 terabyte external drive, that is a really good deal. Anyway, so that's that. So let's go ahead and take a look at the back. There's some more information you can see here. And this also will work with both PC and Mac computers if you want to use it with those as well. If you're not going to be like what I'm doing and using it for a PlayStation 4. But anyway, so let's go ahead and crack it open and just take a look at what this drive looks like. There we go. Alright, so let's go ahead and pull it out. There we go. And it looks like we got, what is this? That's a quick start guide and probably some warranty information and whatnot. Okay, so pop it out of the plastic. There we go. Oh, it's a little plastic flipping thing. Oh yeah. Anyway, here is our USB 3.0 cable that you, of course, use to connect it to your device of choice. And then we have the actual drive itself, encased in some plastic. So let's go and get that out. And there you go. It's actually got a really, really interesting pattern on the top. And it is textured. So all those little prism-looking things actually have some texture to them. So that's pretty cool. Anyway, so as you can see, it is a very thin portable hard drive. It's pretty average sized for an external hard drive of this type. And then we have the connector here for that wire cable that I was talking about earlier. Then we have the Seagate logo. And then lastly, we have the LED indicator light right there, letting you know if data is currently being transferred to the drive or if the drive is in use. And then on the back side here, we have more of that interesting pattern design. But anyway, that's basically it. One quick note, though, is if you use this on a Mac, you will have to reformat it to be able to use it. And same thing goes for the PlayStation 4. If you're going to be doing what I'm doing with it, trying to expand your console storage and put more games on this, you again will have to reformat it to the file system that the PlayStation 4 supports. So just keep that in mind before trying to plug and play and go to try to use this device on your computer or game console. So anyway, that is basically it for this video. Hope y'all enjoyed. Hit that subscribe button right down below. It is greatly appreciated. Hit that like button as well. That is also much, much appreciated. And if you guys have any questions or comments or anything along those lines, just drop them down below, and I'll try to help you guys the best as I can. And yeah, with that all being said, I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.